We couldn't find anything online about how to replace a rear seat belt in a Suzuki Swift. So I decided to make this small video so you could see what you have to do if this job should come to you. Now, we got turned down on because the seat belt had a small hole in it. The first thing you have to do is remove this panel. Is it all in there? Yeah. Remove this panel. Now, these little pins are quite tricky. In most panel pins, you pull them out, but in this one, you just push it in like that, and then just ease the pin out from where you're going to do. Don't push it too hard like I did, one of them, and I pushed the pin right out the bottom, and it fell into a place where I can't retrieve it. So that's all you have to do to remove those pins. Once you've removed, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once you've removed the 7 pins, put that away, and then you have to remove this piece here. You have to remove this because it's in behind this piece here that you have to get off later. So that piece is just held in by clips and a little bit of outward pressure, and it'll clip away from the body. The seatbelt unit is in behind this. You have to remove 2 bolts there and there, and then I removed the rubber as well, pulled it back, and then the whole thing is on clips. So once you remove those 2 bolts, just pull that out, and it will unclip everywhere. You won't break anything, hopefully. The other thing that I did to ease this out was just to remove the rubber around the door handle, around the door frame, so that this panel can slide out easily. Now it's just a case of putting it back together, and I hope this video was helpful for you.